Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to AdScale Academy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI-generated ad images in AdScale. AdScale's AI image feature lets you generate professional ad creatives in seconds using your products, brand elements, and custom preferences. It's about getting high-end results without the high-end effort. Here's how to create one. First, we'll click on the Creative section on the left side panel. Now click on Create New. Here we can see all the options for our creatives, but in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the AI Wizard, so let's click on that right here. Now, we have 4 different options. I'll be using the Product feature, which creates graphics based on a specific product. So let's move forward by clicking Add. Now, it's asking us to select the product that will be the base of our creative. I'll select one product. Let's say I want to choose from my best sellers, so this one. Now that we've added our product, let's click Next. Here, we need a few details. First, the aspect ratio. You can see several options here. Just choose based on your preference and your meta placements. I'm choosing 9:16, which is perfect for social media stories and reels. Next, it asks if you want to add an event headline, like Black Friday, Valentine's Day, or Christmas. Let's say I want to add Black Friday here. You can also add your collection name. I'm choosing New Collection, just to show you, but you can name it whatever you like. Now, this option is very important. If you want to show your product price, make sure to check this box. AdScale will automatically fetch the price from your product details and place it right on the graphic. I'm going to check this box just to show you how accurate it is. These next fields are optional, but if you want to show a sale, like 20% or 40% off, you can write that here. I'm adding up to 20% off, just so you can see how it handles the details. I'll leave the specific instructions empty for now and move forward by clicking Create with AI. Now, here comes the AdScale magic. It'll take just a few moments to gather everything. There we go! Cool! See how perfectly it arranged every single detail into a single graphic? We have our price right here, our 20% headline is perfect, and it pulled the product image automatically. I mean, everything is just spot on. If you want a different look, you can just click Regenerate Image. Or you can use the chat feature to give a specific prompt for the exact result you're looking for. When you're happy with the creative, simply click Save Image and it's stored in your gallery. That's it! You now have a professional AI-generated ad image ready to use in your campaigns. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to AdScale Academy for more videos.